Hello creatives, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be teaching you on how you can create a simple Zyna Pression clothing flyer design with your Android smartphone. So the application that we are going to be using for this tutorial is called Pixellab, and if you don't have the application, you kindly go on Play Store and type Pixellab, then you hit on the download button. But again, if you are not okay with the version of Pixellab found in Play Store and you want to be using the version that I'm using, I will drop that inside the description of this video. So after watching this video to the end, you can kindly check inside the description of this video and download the version that I'm using. And again, if you encounter any problem, make sure you hit me up so I can help you. I'll also drop all the resources used for this particular tutorial inside the description of this video. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe now, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you if I drop awesome content like this. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. So I'll first of all open a new canvas. I'll open a new workspace like this. Then let's import our design as reference for reference sake. So I'll just this is what we are going to be creating from start to finish. So firstly, I'll go to my page setup to actually set up my page. I'll go to my page setup. I'll go to image size. So for this tutorial, we are going to be using 1000, that is 1126 pixel by 1280 pixels. So for the width, 1126 pixel, while for the height is 1280 pixels. So you just click on your OK. So this is actually the size of what we are going to be creating for today's tutorial. So after defining my page size, I'll just go to my insert my page color as seen on the normal design. So I'll just go to color, solid color. Now this is the color, but I want to actually show you on how you can pick a color directly from a design that you are duplicating. So just click on, let's say you click on this, you click on this your plus icon, and you go to your eyedropper tool. This is an eyedropper tool here. Just go to your eyedropper. This is your design, while this is your background of what we are creating. So go to your normal design, you pick the color from here, pick it from this portion of the design. You cannot pick it from here because on this portion of the design, the background has been manipulated with a certain type of image, but I will show you when we are creating. So that's why I don't want to pick the color from here, because I will not have the exact result. So I will just pick it from this particular portion of the design, because this is the pure color here. This on this section of the design, this shape has not been manipulated with any sort of background as seen on this particular portion of this design. So I'll just pick the color from here because this is pure, or you can pick the color from here because it is pure. So I'll just click on OK and OK. So that's it. Now let's see how we can have this white effect as seen on the normal design. So I'll just go to my object tool. I'll go to shape. So I'll just do something like this. I'll just do something like this. I'll do something like this. With time we are going to be adjusting it if in case it needs adjustment. So then let's import this our mannequin. It is called mannequin, something like that, mannequin. let's import this our mannequin, this our image, this image. So I'll go to import. Yeah, we have it here, but if you don't know how to download it, I will drop this particular image inside the description of this video, and I'll also create a video teach you on how you can download resources from Pinterest and use it on your different designs. So I'll make a session of tutorial like that, but let me know in the comment section if you want me to create another tutorial on how you can download resources from different websites and use either PNG or JPEG and use on your design. So I'll just scale this up a bit. Then I'll go to my layer. I'll just close it like that. So this is what you are having. Perfect. So let's see how we can create this particular shape here. So I'll go to shape. Yeah, I'll just do something like this. But I will first of all just change the color as our normal. I'll give it the same color as our background color as seen on this our reference design. So I'll just go to color. Yeah, we have it already here, so I don't need to be going back to use to be stressing again and go and be picking color why I already have this color here. So I'll just pick it. So I'll just yeah, do something like this. Yeah, I'm cool with this. So I'll just make sure I position it very well as seen on the original design. So I'll just click on my check mark, then I'll go to my layer. I'll just close that particular element. So let me import this. Let me insert a text, then I will type call WhatsApp, then this number. So I'll just go to text, edit text. I'm sure I'm having that particular, yeah, this is it. I saved it inside my clipboard, so but I'm not sure. Let me edit this. Okay, the text has repeated itself. Yeah, good. So I'll just position this. But for this particular tutorial, I will use Montserrat. So I'll just go to font. I'll go in for Montserrat. 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 Let me try Montserrat medium. No, Montserrat semi-bold. Yeah, I'll go in for Montserrat semi-bold. Good job. Then I'll just make sure I relative position this to the center. So relative position, this is actually the center. That is from left to right. This is the center. Then from bottom to top, this is the center. I repeat again, from left to right or from right to left, this is the center. Then from bottom to top or from top to bottom, this is actually the center. So I will center it from left to right at the center. Good job. Let me say I have this. I want to center it from left to right at the center. I'll just click on this. Good job. So let me import this these images. I already saved it as a group because I don't want this session of tutorial to be very long, but before I will show you on how I was able to create the different shapes and insert images into it. So I'll just go to my layer and I'll close it like that. Good job. We are actually progressing. So I'll go back to this particular shape. I'll edit it. Yeah, then I will just do something like that, then send to back. Yeah, send to back. Then I'll just go to my layer. This is it, send to back. I'll just lock it. Perfect. So after doing that, we need to type in, we need to draw this shape and type there our services. So I'll just go to, I'll do something like this. First of all, let me change the color. Yeah, I'll just use this same color, that is the same color for the one that we use with the one we use on our background. Yeah, so I'll just make sure I do something like this to actually align with these images. Yeah, then I'll click on OK. I'll just make a duplicate of this text. I'll type services. So I'll just highlight everything, services, services. Then I'll capitalize. Yeah, then I'll just position it. Then again, I'll make a duplicate. I'll type in fashion designs, corporate designs. So this person is selling fashion designs. Yeah, we have it here already. So I'll make sure I change the color to black as seen on the original design. So this is black. Then I will scale it down a bit. So this person is selling fashion designs and corporate wares. Corporate wares. Okay. So we are going. We are going. Let's see how we can create this particular shape. Then type in quality is our indelible signature. Okay. So I'll go to shape. Shape. I will do something like this. Make sure you resize yours very well. Shape, edit. Then I'll change the color. So I'll just go to this plus icon. Then pick the color directly from the design. So this is actually the design here. This is it here. Here we have the image we use. Here we have, in short, this, all what you are seeing here are elements. So I'll come to this place where I have the design. Then I'll pick the color directly from here. Yeah, from that particular portion of the design. Then I'll click on OK. Yeah, I'm good to go. So I'll make a duplicate of this text. Oh, sorry, I already have another text here, so I'll just go to edit. I'll edit this and type in quality is our, okay, we have it here. Quality is our indelible signature. Good job. So I'll just click on OK. Then I will scale it down again a bit to send it down to front because it is behind this particular shape. So I'll just send it to front. Then scale it up again a bit. It should be visible and readable. Good job. Good job. Now I will type. I will type. Let's see our progress. We are going. So I'll type in Zyna Pression. I'll make a duplicate of this and type Pression. First of all, let me type Zyna. Zyna. Capitalize each words. Okay. Then I will just scale it up. I'll make sure I change the weights, the font weight as seen on the original design. We use Montserrat, so I'll go in. We use Montserrat semi bold, so I'll go in for Montserrat bold or Montserrat extra bold. So let me say Montserrat extra bold. Yes, so the weight here is the extra bold, while the font is Montserrat. Now Montserrat is a family fonts having different weights. We have bold, italic, extra bold. We have black, we have medium, we have semi bold, we have regular, we have semi bold, italic, and bold. We have bold, italic. So these are font weights, while this is the font. So just click on OK. Good job. So Yeah, I'll position this let's say somewhere here, position it, then I'll make a duplicate. Sorry, I'll just make a duplicate of this, since yeah, I'll make a duplicate and type Pression, that is Zyna Pression. Yeah, you can actually contact Zyna if you need corporate wires. So Zyna Pression, not pressure. Yeah, Zyna Pression. So I'll delete this. I'll make sure I capitalize each letters. So Zyna Pression. I'll, yeah, just position it as seen on the original design. So I'll change back this weight. I'm not comfortable with that weight. The weight is too large. So I'll go back to fonts, my font, Montserrat. We actually use Montserrat. So instead for me to use Montserrat extra bold, let me go in for bold. Sorry, semi bold, because semi bold is better than extra. No, sorry, bold. Bold is better than is bigger than semi bold. Yeah, good job, good job, good job. So this is Montserrat semi bowl, and this is Montserrat bowl. So just increase it again a bit, then make sure you position it very well. Now we have a seesaw here, so I have this inside my folder where I have my resources. So I'll just go to, but I'll drop it inside the description of this video. I'll go to import album. I'll go to where I have that particular seesaw. Yeah, I have it here. I have it here. So this is it now. But if you check on the original design, you see that this scissor is purely white, but this one is not white. So how can we change that? You now go to your color, you go to color and enable it, then you change the color to white. So you see, very easy. You change the color to white, then just scale it down. You can rotate it like this. You position it as seen on the original design. So just do something like this. Just do something like this. Good job, good job. So yeah, okay. I can see we are almost done. But now if you check very well on the original design, let me scale it for you to actually see what I want to say. If you check on the original design, you see that there is an effect here. There's an effect here. So how can we achieve that? Let me import that particular effect. It's a background effect. I manipulated it with the background color. So I'll just go to import. Yeah, this is actually the effect. So I'll just scale it. Yeah, I'll scale it like this. Then I'll send to back. Yeah. Now you see that now let's manipulate this particular image to suit the one that to see this our normal reference design. So I'll click on it, then I'll go to color filters. So on color filters, I'll just take my saturation to 0 to actually turn this image to a black and white image. So if you want to undo the process back, you just click on this this is an undo icon. So I'll take it back to actually turn this particular image into a black and white image. So I'll just take it to 0 minus, to minus 100. Then I'll click on my check mark. But it is more visible. If you see that the effect is not the same as seen on the one on our original design. So how can we do that? I'll just go now to my opacity and decrease it. Are you seeing? Decrease it until, if I'm okay, then I will just stop from there. So I'll just, for this tutorial, I'll use an opacity of 10%. Then I'll go to my layer, then I'll just close it. Good job, good job. So if you check very well on the original design, you see that there's a lightning effect here. So how can you achieve this effect? Let me show you something. You can either use stickers or use a shape, but for this tutorial let me go in for a shape. So I'll just create shape. I'll click on this drop down, then I'll select a circle. Now this is what you're having. Now you see fill opacity, so take it to 0. After taking it to 0, you go to your stroke weight, you increase it to 40. So the idea of me doing this is because I want to achieve this effect. So that's why I'm doing this trick, for me to actually achieve this effect, because normally design is creativity. You need to think very well, you understand. So now I'll just scale it down to actually eradicate this particular empty section of this particular portion of this shape. So you scale it down until where you're no more seeing this inside empty space. You stop from there. So you scale it down, I'm still seeing it, I'll not stop. You scale it again, I'm still seeing it, I'll not stop. You scale it, I'm still seeing it, I'll not stop. This is it. So you scale it until when you are no more seeing it. Yeah, scale it. Yeah, I'm no more seeing it, I'm no more seeing it. So when you have this, when you are here, then you click on blur radius. You just increase your blur radius to something like that. After increasing your blur radius 25, then to 25, you click on your check mark. So this is the effect. Now when you are here, you just increase it. Now you change the color to this. You change it to this color as seen on our original design. So I'll just go to color. I'll just enable it on. Then I'll click on this plus icon to actually pick the color. Then I'll click on this eyedropper tool. Yeah, this is the eyedropper tool. So I'll go to the design where I have the design to actually pick the color from the design. So this is the design. So I'll just click on this, then I'll pick the color from here. But for me it is more darker. So I'll just let's say brighten it a bit, then click on OK and OK. So I'll just let me scale it again down a bit, then open it this way. Yeah, good job. So you just position it here, then you send to back. Now if you send to back, you go behind this. Let me show you something. If you send to back, you will go behind this image that we blend it with our background. So you go behind it, and we don't want that effect. We want that this our lighting effect should be on top of this image, but not on top of this particular text. So to solve that problem, you can actually go to your layer panel. You locate yeah, this is it. So you just hold and drag, they take it on top of this image that we manipulated it with our background. So we are cool. You can you can just adjust it like that. So as seen on the original design, I have too much space in here, and that's why this text is so closer to that light effect. So I'll just go back to my layer panel, then I'll just identify these different elements so that I can just group all of them, not actually group, yes, like group all of them, then position it, just put it, send it somewhere around here. So I'll go here. Yeah, I have, okay, these are the layers: Pression layer, Zyna, quality is in table, and this is the shape. So I'll just click on this icon, go to position, then I'll move it down again a bit. Yeah, I did not select this particular seesaw. Yeah, so I'll just move it down twice. Then I'll come to the seesaw, I'll select, I'll go to position, move it down twice. Good job. So this is what we're having now. For this particular portion of the design, I did not show you on how I was able to create these different shapes and insert these images that you are seeing into those shapes. So let me just quickly show you how I was able to do that. Just come to your shape. Sorry, let me show you something. Let's say, yes, let's say you are on the text tool and you want to create a shape. For you to create a shape, you just come to this object tool. You go to shapes. So you, after you have this shape, you just scale it down to your preferred size. Yeah, let me just narrow it again like this. Then I'll just increase my radius to 30%. Yeah, let's say 30%. So this is what we are having. Let me just change the color for actual visibility. I'll just give it a, yeah, let me give it this color so that you'll be seeing what's happening. So let me say I'm okay with this size. I'll just click, I'll accept it, then I'll click on the shape. I'll go to texture. um let's say we want to, okay, let's use this. I'll go in for 3:4. I already have a tutorial on how you can create a shape, then know the kind of ratio that will be suitable for that particular shape in context of inserting an image into that particular shape. So I'll just focus more on this part, and I will neglect this area because I actually want that this particular portion of this image to enter into that particular shape, and you should neglect this area of this whole image. So I'll just click on OK. Yeah, that's it. So let me check if my image is repeating. My image is not repeating, but I just want to scale it. Yeah, I love this effect. So this is it. Now how can, if you check now on our design, you see that there is a stroke color here, and the stroke color is the same color with this. So how can we achieve that? You just click on the shape, then you go to stroke. Yeah, we're having a stroke here. Then you toggle it on. Yeah, you give it that color. This is it. So this is how I was able to create these different shapes and insert images into it. So to properly create these different shapes, then align it very well. This is what you are going to do. When you create one and you're okay with the size, you make sure you relative position it. Then you make a duplicate. So yeah, this is one, duplicate two. Make sure you relative position it to the center. Yeah, so three, relative position. This is it here. I'll just relative position to the center. Another duplicate again, four. This is it here, relative position to the center. So this is what I'll do. I'll just come to position. I'll use 6 pixel, position it 6 pixel every step. So this is what I will do. Yeah, then I'll click again. I'll come 6 pixel, then move it below, then I'll come again 6 pixel. Make sure the pixel position is constant, don't change it, because we actually want that. Yeah, good job. So this is how I was able to create these shapes and align them to each other properly. Yeah, so if the distance from this to this is too far, so I'll just click on this, then I will go in for 2 pixel, that is move it to the top 2 pixel times. Then I'll click on this because I actually that they should align. Good job. So if you have this, you can now click on it, then change the the image. Texture, you delete. Album. Let's let me use this 3:4. Okay, yeah, that's it. So my image is repeating. How can you solve that problem? Go back to your texture. I'll just scale it. Yeah, scale it like that, so it's no more repeating. You do the same process for the rest shapes. You do the same process. Let me use this mannequin. Yeah, 3:4. Yeah, I want to insert more of this portion into that particular shape, then neglect this area. Yeah, so click on OK. My image is repeating, so I'll just scale it. Yeah, I'm good to go. So you just do the same process for this. Click on it, go to texture, and you delete it, then insert a new image. Now how can we, like, let me say we are now having this we are having these shapes at this portion of the design arm. Let's say we want to move it this way, or want to position it this way, all at once. So this is what you're going to do. Go to your layer tool, you click on this. Now you know that these are the four shapes, 1 2 3 4. So you just select, then you click on this, icon, then you can to position. You can increase your positioning speed. Yeah, that's how you can carry more than one element in your Pixellab. You can position it anywhere you want to position all at the same time, and you can also delete all of them in just one click. You delete all of these four selected shapes with their images into it. Yeah, so that's it. I noticed that most of you have been asking me that how do I use a mouse when I'm creating tutorial on Pixellab. If you want to know more about it, let me know inside the description of this video, so that I can also create another video on how you can actually use a mouse on your smartphone, because I'm actually using a mouse to create this particular video. So that's how I was able to create these shapes. Then let me just delete it. So select tick 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 tick, then I'll just, this is my delete icon, I'll just delete all of them at once. So please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe now, so that YouTube will always notify you if I drop awesome tutorial like this. And please don't forget to share this video to other people. Share the video and let me know in the comment section how this video was helpful to you. So this is the end for this tutorial. Bye bye.